Surprise, everybody! Sorry, man. I'm just too excited. Let me move these so I can get this video started. Alright, let's check this out. So as you can tell on the box, I went with Koenig wheels. I decided to go with them because they've been around for a while. I think they started in the 80s and they wanted to focus on JDM cars in the street racing scene or drag scene, whatever you want to call it, drifting, whatever, doesn't matter. Pretty tired. That little intro got me hella tired. Surprise, you know? Anyways, these are the Floatform series by Koenig. It's the same thing as Rotary Forging or whatever you want to call it. Rotary Forging was copyrighted by this other brand. I forgot what it was called, like TWC or JWC or something like that. But whatever, you know. So they decided to name it Floatform. It's all the same thing. Instead of casting the wheel, they just make the face and stretch it out. It's a lot lighter and it's a lot stronger than casting, like a whole one-piece cast. I could have gone multi-piece, but I don't know. I just decided not to. I'm about to unbox these and see how they are. I hope they look good because I went with bronze. Ooh, so hard talking. Anyways, I decided to go with bronze because on my old wheels, my stock in case, I wanted to go bronze, but there was a miscommunication with me and the powder coating people. So it ended up being like this yellow mustard. At certain lighting and certain angle, it looks really nice, but in the most part, during bright daylight, it's pretty bad. I still enjoy it, but I'm going to keep those on the side. They're going to be my spare once I start drifting, and if I ever need it for anything else, basically. But these are the ones that are going to go into my new car. I just got it wrapped a couple days ago, so this is pretty exciting news for me. Everything's about to be complete. I have another project next week. Stay tuned for that. It's about to unbox these, and let's see what happens. Peace. I can see it. Oh my god. Move, box. Oh shit, that sounds bad. Check it out. Let's check this out first. So these are the fronts. No, these are the fronts. How do I do this? Oh, okay. New necklace. Oh shit. Damn, is beautiful. There's not much of a concavity, but it's still beautiful. Check it. Be careful. Hopefully the camera gets it. I'm not sure if I'm too close. Damn, this is nice. Woo. It's time for the front. It's time for the rear. This is the front. This is just one of them. I think the other front package has all the accessories. Once I get to it, then I'll show you. But as of now, I'm going to go to one of the rears. I love it. This is nice. This is supposed to be a bronze. This is definitely what I wanted compared to the first time. Color-wise, at least. Oh shit, these look way bigger. Of course. Oh, actually, never mind. I'm tripping. This is just the front. Ugh. Not the front, but this is just the face. Oh shit. Okay. Now this is sick. The rear ones actually have a concavity to it. I'm so ecstatic about this. I actually want the fronts to be like this too, but this is fine. This would do. Check it. I don't know if you can tell. Check it out. There's a little bit of concavity. Let me turn it. My hand can actually go in a little bit. Don't fall. Stay still. What are you doing? Why are you moving? Let's put this back in. There you go. These one Not much. I don't know if the camera gets all this, but whatever. Let's compare the width. Damn, this shit is moving. Oh, I don't want to slide it, but I have to. Alright, 19s are exactly the same. They both reach the top evenly. Oh yeah, you could definitely see the width. Obviously. Much wider here. This should give me a better traction. Yeah, this is crazy. Let me unbox the other two and see if any accessories are in it, and I'll show you what that looks. I'll show what that looks like. Nice. Oh my god. Alright, so the rest of the stuff in there are just the lug nuts. Pretty nice. They all look the same. Comes with this thing to attach it, to unscrew it. Black diamonds. Now these are the valve caps. Neochromes, what I went with. Why? I'm not sure. Just went on a limb. Pretty nice. They're pointy. They're not flat. Oh shit. Oh, there's 5 in case I lose one. Awesome. Hopefully nobody steals these from me. If you're watching this, don't even think about it. Alright, that's it for now. I'm done unboxing. I'll continue tomorrow when I install everything. Laters. Stay tuned for the journey. Please support, subscribe, share, comment, like, anything that will help me out. I appreciate it. Once again, I said once I reach 100 subscribers, then I'm going to give away a free set of AirPods or whatever comes up at the time, whatever's trending, anything that anybody likes. If you have any suggestions on what I should give away, let me know. Maybe I'll give away a care package of my team clothing. Status Figure represent 24/7. We got a little wording right there. Little pocket. These are nice quality. If you don't know about us, you need to check it out. I'm going to put a link in the description. Follow my personal Instagram page too. Link is down below. Thank you. Peace. Alright, what's up everybody? I just pulled up to the tire shop. It's kind of like in the middle of nowhere. One of my friends recommended me to this place. First time here. Might not be the last though, because they got me a good deal. Let me show you what the original wheels look like, because I messed up the paint. I should have kept it aluminum color, but this is bad. Don't laugh at me. It's pretty terrible, but I still like it. Check it out. It's that yellow mustard. It was supposed to be gold, but whatever. The paint sitting well. I mean, not the paint. See, look at that. The wrap is so clean. I thought it was paint. One thing I hate about my car is that it's pretty small on the inside, so everything is jam-packed. I'll keep you guys posted. Peace. It's the master. Hit him up if you want to rap. He's checking out his work because he loves it so much.
I'm trying to find one flaw.
Narcissistic right there. No flaws, he says.
Alright, that's awkward.
Alright guys, this is an update. So I'm not going to install them with the shop because there's a chance that they might scratch my wheels, and I do not want that. These are brand new wheels. But I'll show you what the tires look like. But in the meantime, we're going to take these to the shop that's next to the wrap shop, which is our shop. If you guys are interested in wrapping, just let us know. Like I said, Master T will do that for you guys.
And not only did I wrap his car, he makes me carry all the shit for him.
I'm about to help him, but look at these tires. Look at these grooves.
Just do your video. I'm already done.
These are the, this is the rear. Look how wide that shit is. Man, he's all mad because I'm not helping him. My bad, bro. I told you I got you.
There you go. He helped me with one.
All this work I do for him, and he still doesn't appreciate me. I'm like his best customer.
Speaking of work, that's what I did for him. Did he do anything for my truck? No.
I gave him gas, full tank. Cost like $60, and he still
That's
hates
because
me.
he has to go and use my truck for 2 days. So
No matter, I didn't have to put gas for you, but I still did.
Hopefully that car helps you.
Hold up, bro. Hey, check it out. We got a status member over here. Nice car, bro.
He heard you.
That's a status member. We wrapped his car too, like an army green. It's pretty sick.
Hey, did he see that you're a status too?
I'm pretty sure you saw me. I mean, you know, he knows me. But that was sick. We got status members all around town. Let's go. Alright guys, we just pulled up to the tire shop, which is right next to the wrap shop, like literally next door. Check it out. Right next door. About to get this started now. No more recording after this. Check out the car right now and then check it out later. Check it out guys, this is the new mechanic setting up shop. This guy knows everything. He's gonna help me install my twin turbo one day. 600 horsepower, remember I told you guys. This is our decal Vito guy. And then I don't know who this stranger is, but this is just a random dude.
Wow.
I'm just kidding. This is the mastermind behind taking everything apart. We're about to do a Kobe banner that's free. I'll show you what it looks like while my tires are getting installed.
It's not free. We're donating to people.
Donation, I guess. Same thing. This one's gonna get a full wrap. I'm not sure what color it is, but we'll check it out soon. Later. Alright people, check it. This is known as airless ride. This shit just glides in the air. You don't need any tires. I wish they have something like that. That would be sick. Okay, what's up everybody? It's all done now. My wheels are finally mounted and balanced and installed on the vehicle. Very nice. I'm actually pretty happy about it. One thing that sucks is that I never got to saw these wheels on my old wrap. My old wrap never got the full potential because of those yellow mustard wheels. But I guess that's something I'll have to live with. Maybe I can Photoshop and see what it looks like, but I'm not good at that. So I might have to just let that go and think about it one day in the future. But as of now, it's golden. Everything looks good. I'm gonna do a couple more installation. Basically just a hubcap, whatever, the centerpiece. Install that, and then after that, I'm gonna do a full walk around. Throw in some clips here and there, and maybe, I don't know. We'll see what happens. I'm all over the place right now. It's been a long day, and my mind is just blown. See ya.